9.
Hello everyone, and straight to the point, how can you make money online? This is probably one of the most asked and searched questions on the net. And there are tons of websites where yes, you can make some tasks, but it's not worth your time. They only pay you cents. So you will be spending hours and hours and you didn't even make, what, 20 cents? It's not worth it. You shouldn't even think about these kind of sites. So what is the alternative? There is an alternative. There are some websites on the net which I will be sharing with you, and you can make some decent money. It's somewhat between $10 to $30 an hour, and so it's really worth it. Of course, bear in mind that these websites will offer you only a task or two in a week time. So the more websites you register with, the more work you will be having. So this is really interesting for one reason, that you can make some money. However, please bear in mind you will not be rich. It is just like some extra income. So without wasting any more time, let's go straight to these websites and I will show you what to do and how to do it, and hopefully this will be just the start of how to make some money online. This is the very first website that I was telling you about. Now it is called hellopingpong.com. What the website is actually requesting you to do is to test websites and applications. And here might come up the first question in your mind, hey, but I don't have any experience about this. I've never done this before. How can they hire me? And to answer your question, I'm gonna pose a question for you. How many times did you search the internet for whatever website you need? If you're buying, then you're looking for Amazon, for example, or you're looking for any other website where you're trying to buy whatever you are needing. And how many times did you search the internet for downloading a software or going to search a site that sells whatever you need? And then you realize that some sites, they are fantastic. Some sites, they are really lousy. Some sites, they are not user-friendly, and you started to make comments. But nobody is hearing you and you're not getting paid. Now these websites here, they are paying you for your opinion. Now how does it work? Once you log into the website, scroll down and you can see here, get paid to test. Click on it. Now the website will be detecting your language. It depends basically where you are living, and it doesn't matter where you live. For example, if you live in India and your major language or your main language is Indian, then you will get tasks in the Indian language. If you live in the United States, then your task is in English, and so on and so forth. Now you just click on become a tester. You fill in the information, and then you will be notified via email that there is a task ready for you. Now the question is, how much do you get paid? It actually pays really good. Scroll down and I will show you what the website says. Here, for example, you can see you have for a 30-minute video session, you get paid 15 euros. That's approximately $18 for 30 minutes. So in an hour, you're getting paid about $35, $36. That is actually not bad at all. Website has exactly the same idea. It is called For Perfection, and once you type in the name of the website, this is what's gonna come up. And again, the same scenario. You just go here to the top right and click on Become a Tester. Once you click on Become a Tester, it says Start Earning Money. Click on it, and then you have to fill in the email address. And then once you fill in the email address, you have to fill in the information, and you will also get invited to participate, and it is exactly the same idea. So I'm basically sharing with you the best websites that can make you some money. Now the third website, again, it is right here. It is called trymyui.com, and again, it's the same scenario where you get paid to test websites and applications. All you need to do is click on get paid to test. Once you click on it, it will say get started. You fill in the information, and again, this is also something very important to mention. Here, for example, it says payment are made via PayPal to this email address. So you need to link your PayPal account to the website in order to get paid when you get one of those tasks. If you don't have a PayPal account, you simply create one. It only takes like about 8 minutes, 7 minutes to make a PayPal account. The fourth website is called Usertesting.com, and exactly the same idea. Here, in order to register, just click on get paid to test, click on it, enter your email address, and then it will ask you for some more information. Then you will be registered, and they will be sending your tasks, or they will notify you with a task via email. In order for you to have more information how it works, I'll click back here. You can see here watch video. So once you click on watch video, it will tell you exactly how it works, what you need to do, and it goes with you step by step. So you don't have like to think that it's a hard task. It's not a hard task. All you need to do is just to know what to say and how to record yourself. So it's not really a big deal, and it's worth it. Like, you know, when you get paid $30 an hour, it is definitely worth it. And the fifth website is called Userfield.com, exactly the same idea. And what you do is you click here on get paid to test. Once you click on it, a new window will pop up, and then you have to fill in all the information that they are requesting from you. The payment method, for example, here you can see again it's PayPal. So all you need to do is to provide your PayPal account, your PayPal email address. Now here, as you can see, this website, for example, tells you which languages do you speak fluently, which means they will never give you a task with a language that you don't speak fluently. And the more languages you speak, the more tasks, of course, you can have. And last but not least of today's websites that I will be sharing with you on this video is called Checklist.com. And again, it has the same tasks. And how to become a tester with them, just click on get paid to test. It will open a new window. Here you can see that they pay less than the other websites. For example, it says each feedback session lasts 15 minutes and you will receive €8. That's about $10 for 15 minutes. That's not bad, but of course other websites, they paid more. Here I can give you a little tip, which is register with as many websites as you can, because each of these websites probably will give you only a task or two per week or per 2 weeks. So the more websites you are registered with, the more tasks you can make. And so basically you can expect anywhere between $200, $300 a month. It's not much, but at least you have some additional income that will help you. Alright guys, this was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you will benefit from the websites that I shared with you. And there will be definitely more to come, since the whole idea of having this channel or creating this channel is to help people with all the information and all the knowledge that they need. Most especially that there are tons of websites on the internet where the introduction never ends, and it goes on and on and on and on and on, and it's just so boring, and it's so wasting of time, and in the end you will not even get the gist of it. and I find it's really unfair. So the whole idea now is to really go straight to the point, try to explain it as simple as possible, as fast as possible, in order for you not to get bored and just to get, you know, what you're really looking for. So I hope, guys, that you will share this video to your friends and relatives and whoever you think is needing this, and as well as I really hope that you will subscribe and like and comment and leave your comments, guys, in order for me to share with you whatever topics that you want. I mean, one of the topics today is how to make money online. There will be more content coming your way, but if there is anything specific that you would like to have or to know about, please let me know, and I will be willing to share it with you and, you know, posting it on the channel. Well, until then, all the best and see you soon, guys.
Don't forget
to subscribe to